See you wore your nice shoes.
Yes.
Hello, my name's Jarrod Stanton, co-founder and business coach here at Action Edge Business Coaching.
I'm Nick Stainsby from Wipe Clean Window Cleaning. We've been operating here in Calgary for 14 years.
Coming up on our 20th year here of helping business owners.
There's a lot of great businesses in Calgary, but there's really not a great place for home service businesses to come together and talk and lean into each other.
What we try to do with this workshop, have a blend of principles and best practices, and then also being able to circle back and get a real world application of how one successful Calgary company is doing that day in and day out.
At one of our last sessions, Jacob, our ops manager, and another business owner were talking about our compensation plan and how we were paying. Going into this winter, we're really looking at flipping the way that we pay people on its head, doing some things differently just because of a conversation that was had.
Thank you for your dedication to creating jobs in our city and our economy. We really want to host you here. Be our guest. Join us.